As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application, and I've reviewed a ton of these. So here you pretty much have the connection button right down here, and at the top here pretty much can tap on this as well to get the connection. Once you do tap on that, it will start connecting in no time. That's how easy this VPN connection is to use. So nothing hard for you to not understand. Very easy, very easy and simple to use, guys. And once it's connected, you can pretty much go ahead and browse, and it will give you the option if you want to add more connection time. As you can see here, pretty much get 30 minutes connection time, and as well you can pretty much get in up to 90 minutes connection time if you watch an ad. So not that bad based on the application that I've reviewed. This one here will be able to add 90 minutes of connection time without watching an ad. And if I do tap on it, as you can see here, it will take a while to load, but I will definitely get the 90 minutes of connection time. Some of them you may still see an ads as it relates to that. As you can see here, I do get the 90 minutes connection time, and I can do it again as well. But that's really pretty much how you use this VPN application here. So very simple. Down here as well, you can add 120 minutes connection time, but you're definitely going to need to watch an ad. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. If you have any problem at all, let me know in the comment section as well. See you in the next one.